To allow your phone to always connect to an auto hotspot connection in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap auto hotspot connection and then select always. By choosing this option, your phone will automatically connect to an auto hotspot connection that you are allowed to use when it's available near you. However, this feature will work if Wi-Fi in your phone is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.